Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by. Quick tip video today. I had mentioned in my oil change video that one of my locks had seized on the compartment to get into the front, the hood. And I took apart the lock, took it off. Just wanted to make sure everything was okay on it. Worked fine when I got it off. One thing I did notice though was that the screw is probably only 1/4 inch long. 1/2 inch tops. I just don't think that's enough to hold on that lock. Well, it's holding on the lock itself. You know, the piece that goes back and forth to engage the lock. This is all that was holding on here, was a 1/2 inch bolt. So I went down to, we have Ace Hardware down the street here, and I bought this, the replacement. This is an M8, and I'm going to replace it with that. That's just not a lot of threads to secure that. I think moving to this is going to be a much more secure platform for that. So as you can see, it has that little locking washer on there, which I bought basically the same thing. So I'm just going to replace it with this here. I don't remember if this is a 3/4 inch, but it's an M8, and call it a day, because I just don't think that's enough to secure that on there. I don't know why you would use something that short. But while I'm at it, I'm hitting all my locks with graphite. I had seen that reviewed online, using graphite spray in your locks. So I've been spraying my locks for about 6 months now on all my vehicles, and I'm going to use it on here too. Just a note, it's kind of a messy product, so when you spray it, I use paper towel just to catch the runoff, but it does dry very quick. So anyway, quick little tip video on this compartment lock. I'm not sure who makes these, but pretty common for RVs. Anyway, thanks and have a great day.